That's literally
We get cockroaches at least once a month.
No, you don't.
In people's ears?
Oh yeah, that's very common.
Ew, that's gonna be me. I'm gonna be that statistic. I'm gonna have the roach in my ear.
All right, you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay. That's actually her tympanic membrane, which is basically the end of the ear canal. So what you're looking down is the actual canal, and there's no wax, not a single drop.
What?
There's no wax in there. Just
None
one,
at all?
Just one small roach, but we'll leave it.
Oh my god, let's leave the roach in there. We're family now. I'm sorry to be a disappointment, but like also happy to.
You actually want your wax right here, right where those hair cells are right there. If the wax is out here in this area, it can be pushed out. Some people don't produce as much earwax as others. Some people produce part of earwax, some